Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn how to generate this pattern using Python language using online compiler. Okay, on the first line we will print hello world. On the second line we will print the stars using for loop. Now look here. We have printed this pattern using range function, print function, and for loop. In the first line we have used a keyword reserve word print, and within double quotation we have printed hello world, and then after that we have written a two nested for loops here. First line is line number 10 is used to control the rows, line number 2 is control columns, and then after that within the body we will print star, and end is equal to the purpose of end is equal to is that it will print all the star in single line, and after that outside the body of the column loop we have printed a print function so that it will take the static to the next line. Thank you.